Hello, good morning to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Today in this video, I just want to tell you why this Acer Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen 5 Hexa Core 5625U laptop is coming for near like 30 to 30,000. Means there are bank offers and everything. Okay, around like 32,000. And why this Lenovo laptop? This Lenovo laptop of same configurations. This is the current laptop. Okay, this is this laptop, Lenovo IdeaPad Slim One. Okay, AMD Ryzen 5 Hexa Core 5625U AMD Ryzen with 16 GB of the RAM and with the MS Office. And this is showing almost like 39,000. Maybe with the bank offers you can get like 38,000 or so. And with the same configuration, with the same RAM, means 16 GB RAM, 512 GB SSD, with the same processor, AMD Ryzen 5 processor with 6 cores, and the Acer also coming for the 6 cores, and everything is similar. Why the price differences? I'll tell you two things who are looking to buy this Acer Aspire Lite AMD Ryzen 5 laptop. Okay, you can just think of it and you can make a good purchase. Anyway, at this price this laptop is awesome, and for Lenovo also at this price it is reasonable. First of all, I'll tell you this laptop is maybe I can show you these properties of this laptop first, then I can just proceed. Okay, this is AMD Ryzen 5 5625U with Radeon graphics, 16 GB installed RAM, 2 GB graphic card, and 512 GB SSD. Device name, okay, everything fine. I'll be coming back here. If you can observe, Lenovo has MS Office installed. See here, MS Office 2024, which is included in this laptop. I'll show you. Maybe I can open MS Outlook here, or PowerPoint I'll open. Yeah, PowerPoint. See here, this is the PowerPoint app which is pre-installed. Means I didn't install any software. This comes with the Lenovo laptop itself. But here in the Acer, this doesn't have MS Office. That's the reason there is price difference, and except that everything is similar, because this has 16 GB laptop, Acer Aspire Lite, and this is 16 GB, and this comes with 512 SSD, this comes with 512 SSD. Even the cache also, this has 16 MB of cache memory, and this also, to my surprise, this also have 16 MB of cache memory. And one of my friend purchasing this laptop, Acer Aspire Lite, that's the reason I'm doing this video. And there is one more difference other than this MS Office. This Lenovo laptop has MS Office, and this doesn't have that MS Office. So for students, for most of the students, if you want to buy, you need to think once, because a lot of times there may be chance of having PowerPoint presentations, MS Word, MS Excel, or something like that. If you want, in such cases, you need to just think of it. Okay, if MS Office is not a priority for you, and that's good. And the battery is also good in Acer compared to Lenovo. And one more thing, this display is IPS display for Lenovo, and when I check the official Acer store here, this is the Acer website. Okay, and when I check the display type here, see, the display type is TN. Okay, the viewing angles will be definitely better in this Lenovo laptop. Okay, this is the TN. This is also good, but this is not the IPS. Okay, this Lenovo model is of IPS display. Other than that, all are similar, and the battery is slightly bigger here. Okay, when compared to this Lenovo. Okay, that would be one of the edge and price comparison, and this is one of the good choice. But you need to compromise on the display and also the MS Office. Yeah, and please do comment how many are looking to purchase a laptop under budget of 30,000. If so, next week I'll be unboxing an budget laptop like 25,000 from the Acer brand only. If you want that, please do ask in the comments, so that I'll be pinning the link, the video link of the unboxing in the first comment, and also in the description. Please do comment if you want that, and please do share your opinions on which laptop do you want to buy, and if you're using currently any laptop, please do ask for that. And I did a detailed unboxing for this Lenovo AMD Ryzen 5 series, a Radeon graphics laptop which is of Lenovo brand, and this is working perfectly fine. I'll be dropping the links for the unboxing and initial impressions here. If you want, you can check.